So I've got half working trailer lights. The tires are sketchy at best. And we're gonna go see if we can't get the interior of this thing quoted to have it redone. This is our first stop. This is our choice of colors. I think it's going to be either a white, a bone, or a off-white. Possibly a cream. Kind of hoping for a glitter gold, but maybe we can do something different. abundance of work in the summertime when everybody's putting their boats in the water. Everybody wants something done. In the wintertime, they have all kinds of time available to do any kind of work they want. Anyways, the stuff that I could do to save us the money, you know, as part of this is going to be doing all the woodwork. So doing the seat bases, doing the seat frame, doing the, what is with these people? You know, all the little stuff, the side rails, all that can be done. And that'll save us a big chunk of money. The only expensive part is during the pandemic, nobody's making wood, so trying to buy the wood or the Corsa board to make this stuff. If I can even turn.